Welcome to Gadgetly. Are you ready to transform your home into a cozy retreat? Today, we're uncovering the best electric fireplace heaters that offer warmth, ambience, and style. Whether you're after a modern vibe or classic charm, we've got the perfect picks to match your space and budget. Stay tuned, your dream fireplace awaits. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Duraflame 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace Heater. This electric fireplace stove stands out with its authentic design and powerful infrared heater, making it one of the best models available. The freestanding, cabinet-style unit measures 23 inches in height, 24 inches in width, and 13.07 inches in depth. It features a classic wood stove appearance with lifelike logs and an adjustable LED flame effect, offering 5 brightness levels. Equipped with a robust infrared heater, the stove delivers 5,200 BTUs, effectively heating up to 1,000 square feet. A remote control enables convenient operation of all settings without leaving the couch. The Duraflame 3D electric fireplace boasts durable all-metal housing and is available in 7 color options. During testing, we were impressed with the Duraflame's performance. The plastic legs were easy to install with good quality hardware. The flame and log effects were surprisingly realistic, and the heating performance was excellent, raising the room temperature from 60 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit and maintaining it steadily. However, we did find the temperature adjustment via the remote to be somewhat unreliable, requiring manual adjustments on the unit itself. Additionally, the top of the unit gets quite hot, so it's not ideal for placing houseplants or other items. Number 2. R.W.FLAME 50-inch Recessed Electric Fireplace Heater. With its sleek, modern design and customizable flame settings, the wall-mounted electric fireplace from R.W.FLAME is an ideal choice for contemporary interiors. Measuring 18.1 inches tall and 50 inches wide, its large size makes a bold statement in any living space. The fireplace offers impressive customization options, including 12 flame colors, 12 flame bed colors, adjustable brightness levels, and a 385-inch depth that allows for both wall mounting and recessed installation. It's also available in multiple sizes ranging from 30 to 68 inches to suit various spaces. This fireplace features a powerful 1,500-watt fan heater with side vents that effectively warm the room. All settings can be conveniently controlled via the included remote. Installation is straightforward for wall mounting. Detach the bracket, secure it to the wall, and reattach the fireplace to the bracket. During testing, we found the heat output exceptional, quickly raising the room temperature by 10 degrees Fahrenheit to a cozy 75 degrees. While wall mounting was easy, recessed installation requires more effort, but the result is well worth it for those seeking a flush, built-in appearance. Overall, this unit's combination of style, performance, and versatility makes it a standout choice. Number 3. Touchstone 50-inch Smart Electric Fireplace Heater. Designed for recessed wall installation and available in sizes ranging from 28 to 100 inches, this electric fireplace insert is a versatile option for creating a warm, inviting ambience in any home. Its realistic flame effect is enhanced by the included log set and crystals, which can be swapped out to match your style. However, removing the glass pane for these swaps can be a bit tricky, as noted by Rachel Rothman, former Executive Technical Director at the Good Housekeeping Institute. During testing, we found this model intuitive to operate, offering 3 flame colors and 5 brightness levels. The heat output ranges from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, with an automatic safety shutoff if the temperature exceeds 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustments can be made using the included remote control or directly on the unit. For added convenience, it's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, enabling voice control for hands-free operation. With its customizable design, ease of use, and smart compatibility, this fireplace insert delivers both style and functionality, making it a standout choice for modern homes. Pros: easy to use, comes with multiple mediums, various color and intensity settings, compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa. Cons: removing the glass pane to change mediums is a little tricky. Number 4. Classic Flame 3D Infrared Quartz Fireplace Insert. This electric fireplace stands out for its incredibly realistic flame effects and versatile design, complete with a mantle that fits seamlessly into pre-existing fireplaces or recessed walls. Once installed, you can customize the ambience with 5 flame effects and adjustable brightness levels, switching between a cozy crackling fire or a subtle, calming flame to suit your mood. What sets this fireplace apart is its infrared heating technology, which warms rooms more quickly than traditional fan heaters. You can adjust the settings using the control panel or the included remote, and a built-in timer allows you to fall asleep worry-free, knowing the unit will turn off automatically. For added safety, the fireplace features safer sensor technology, which shuts off the heater if it overheats, protecting against potential electrical or product issues. While the manufacturer claims it can heat up to 1,000 square feet, our experts caution that its effective range may be smaller. They recommend verifying the required BTUs per square foot to ensure it meets your heating needs. Overall, this fireplace combines realistic aesthetics, efficient heating, and smart safety features, making it a solid choice for enhancing your home. Number 5. Duraflame 3D Klaus Electric Fireplace Insert. This electric fireplace insert is a top choice for anyone looking to convert a traditional wood-burning hearth into a low-maintenance electric one. It offers authentic LED flames and glowing embers, and for added realism, it includes 6 crackling sound options. A spark-arresting curtain further enhances its traditional look. Equipped with a 1,500-watt heater, this insert provides sufficient warmth for up to 400 square feet. All settings are easily controlled via the included remote, and the insert is available in 5 sizes, ranging from 23 to 33 inches wide and up to 24-63 inches tall, making it adaptable to a variety of hearth sizes. In testing, we found this model to be the most realistic-looking electric heater, with features like the spark-arresting curtain, log glow, and flickering flames contributing to its lifelike appearance. It also remained relatively cool during use, though the top can get warm, making it a great option for DIY fireplace setups. However, we did miss the convenience of a digital thermostat, which would have offered more precise temperature control. Pros: attractive wall recessed design, remote control, multiple sizes to fit existing fireplaces. Cons: won't heat larger rooms quickly.